Welcome to my channel, my Excel Tutor. Students, so today we are going to discuss the nested if formula or the smart work with the if formula and the find formula. Okay, so let us suppose if you want to find out the gender of the student that is given in this table, that it is approximately 680 students names are given in this. 680 students name are given in this C column. Okay, so if you want to find out the gender of this one, then if one by one you are going to try this one, then it will be very difficult task for us to find the gender of each and every individual verb. So the total time that we need to get this one near about 30 minutes to write the gender of each and every name. So I can make this time, we can reduce this time. How we can reduce? That we are going to discuss in this video. So let us suppose this data which is given to you in the column C, that whenever you are going through this one, that contains the sing at last with the name of the boy and the core at last with the name of the girl. So let us suppose if you want to find out the gender of this one, it is obvious that this is a girl, that is a female, and that is a boy, that is a male. Okay, so this one is a boy, this one is a girl. Okay, so one by one, whenever we are going through this one, then we will check this one, that is the male and the female. Like this we can easily find out. But this work that can be done by the Excel also. So how the Excel will do this work? Excel will automatically get the answer that this one is a boy or a girl if the particular word is written with the name. So I am going to use the formula for this one. So have a look on this. So for that one, starting the formula equal to search. What the Excel will search in this student name? Excel will search that sing, S-I-N-G-H, sing, bracket close, comma, inverted commas close, comma, within the text in between this one. So whenever we are pressing enter, it will give us the number, because this sing will started at the 9th step. So whenever you are going through this one, so this one, okay, so at the 9th one, this sing will start. So if there is a sing, then it will give the automatically the number on which text it will be started, the sing is present or not. So if I am copying down this one, so wherever the sing is present, it will show me the number, this one, and this one. So it will automatically give us a number. Okay, so now we will use this one. If there is a sing is there, so then it will give us the number. So if the number is true, number is given, then we will use this one, the is number. So if the number is written, then it will give us a true. If the numbers are not, then it will give us a false. I am going to copy down the formula. So wherever the sing is present, there is a true, and wherever the sing is not present, there is a false. So I am going to relate this one with the if formula. So if it is true, if this one is true, I am going to use the if formula, because if formula will be used as a logical test. If it is true, then if sing is used, then we will write down there male, bracket close. Otherwise, it will leave the blank. Press enter. Then wherever the sing is present, then it will give us the male. Okay, so you can see this one. Wherever the sing is present, it will automatically give us the male. But wherever the sing is not present, then it means there is a open empty cell is here. Okay, so I am going to undo this one because we can easily use the next one step also for the female. So I am going to use a nested if. Nested if, it means if the sing is not there, something different name will be there. So we can use that one. For that second one is core. So I am going to copy this formula once again. Okay, so Control C for copying the data. So Control V for pasting it. Now if the statement true, if the first one, it will check the first condition. If it is true, then it will show the male. If it is not true, then we will check that one. Then there is a core. If there is a core is written over there in the text name, then it will show us the female. Okay, so FE female. So if this is true, then it will check this one. It will be a female. Otherwise, some names can be of Hindu name or some other religion name. In that case, the sing and the core cannot be written over there. So at that place, I am going to use a different symbol. Let us suppose underscore, comma close, and then press enter. Okay, so in this case, it will give us the male. So if I will copy down the formula, in that case, if the male is the sing is given, male is written, core is given, female is written. Okay, so like this one, we can easily get the whole data out of the total 680 student was there. At that time, we was that will be a very difficult task for to finding the male and the female. But I have made this task easy for us, easy for you, and now the very less data is here which we have to write the male and the female. So I'm going to filter this one. So Control Shift and L will be the shortcut key for for adding the filter in this one. So this will fully make the three arguments only, so that male, female and the underscore. So I'm going to select this underscore. So these are only the name out of these full name. Total 680 students will be reduced to only the 69 students. 69 students. So the rest of the work we have already done within 2 minutes. Okay, so within 2 minutes we have done that one, and that is on to your wish. Now if you want to do it very fastly, then use one by one. Anish Chawla, that is a male, like this one. Start typing and get the answer. Male. Arun Gandhi, male. And that one, Asim Chawla, male. Like this one, Harveer Singh Fuller, that is also a male. Okay, so like this one, the 69 students data that you can easily do within 5 minutes, if it is a male or a female. Okay, so the rest of the data that we have already done with the advanced formula for if, and that a search formula which will search the sing word from this one. Okay, so the rest of the work that you can easily do, this sheet I can send, I will put it in the description, so you can easily download and practice this one formula. And this formula also I will write down in the description. You can also copy this one and practice this one. Okay, so write in the comment box how this video is for you. Have you learned something different from this video, and that is easy for you or not? Okay, so all the very best. Thank you.